Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The Insurance Association of Jamaica, IAJ, is making it easier for traffic police to identify motorists who do not have insurance for their vehicles. Incoming President Vernon James made the announcement at a recent meeting of the association. Here's Andrew Lately.
70% of motorists have insurance for their vehicles. IAG President Vernon James says that's because motor vehicle insurance is mandated by law. But he argues that the number of insured drivers should be higher. That's why the association is rolling out a new system to help law enforcers clamp down on those who are driving without insurance.
This is a database of all the vehicles that are insured in Jamaica. This will allow the TVJ and the police to establish the insurance status of a vehicle without requesting a physical document from the driver. This process will reduce the amount of persons driving vehicles with fraudulent insurance documents, exposing motorists and pedestrians to uninsured vehicles.
It's called the Insurance Vehicle Information System, and the association is planning to roll it out within the next 2 months. He says this is the beginning of a digital transformation which will eventually offer more options.
In due course, the IVIS system will facilitate a digital process to license your vehicle with the TVJ. More on this soon. That is real progress. No more need to go to the TVJ to go and license your vehicle.
In the meantime, he admitted that the insurance community is moving more online to appeal to younger clients.
Imagine a 25-year-old, they're not going to buy insurance in the traditional way. We have to meet them where they are to buy insurance. And a lot of that is in the social media space.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, has released final data showing that the economy declined by 2.3% in the first quarter of 2020. The contraction is bigger than the 1.7% dip that was previously estimated by the PIOJ. Now, the agency noted that the performance was negatively impacted by COVID-19 and the measures adopted to limit its spread. Statin also reported that the economy declined by 0.1% in the last fiscal year. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.01. The Canadian dollar closed at $105.16. The pound is going for $177.16, while the euro sold for $163.83. The JC index gained 7,767 points today, and the junior market is up 24 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Access Financial Services, Fosrich, Lumber Depot, and Burrito. On the losing side were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Signos Credit Investments US dollar shares, Siboney Group, and Cargo Handlers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.